Hello friends, today I'm going to show you the most easiest form to test database connectivity, whether you have the right connection to the database from your Visual Studio. This is when you normally install the applications and you try to test whether the Visual Studio has been connected to the database or not, whether the programs are going to be successful or not. So this might be the easiest one for you. Okay, let's start with it. So I'm going to take a grid view control from the toolbox menu. You would find a grid view under the data tab and double click on it. Now the grid view control comes up, and then we are going to choose the data source. Without it you cannot connect. Okay, now it gives us this dialog box. We will select SQL, and it selects SQL data source 1 by default, and then pressing the next we reach here. We go for the new connection and select Microsoft SQL Server. You may not use this, always use this selection, or you can use that one, that's up to you. And then let's go ahead with the continue. Now it's asking me for the server name and whether to use a Windows authentication or an SQL Server authentication. Let's do it with the use Windows authentication because I'm using with it. Alright, so this is my server name. If you try to copy that, if you click on this connect button, you will see the server name here. Now Control C, or I can just cut it, I don't need that. Now cancel it and go back to here, server name. I pasted it here, and after you paste this one, you just try to retrieve the database from here. If your database loads up easily from here, then you should be confirmed that it is connected. Now I selected my test1 database, and I will go ahead with the next steps. Let's do this one, test connection. See, this one shows that the test connection is successful, so you should be aware that the test connection has been successfully connected, and it is connected. So I press the OK button, and I move ahead with it. Now okay, here we go. It came up. I was confused what happened, why it didn't show up. Alright, so let's go ahead with this next, and yes, save this connection, or you may not save it. Let's go ahead next. So what are the columns that I should be retrieving on my grid view? I just need all of them. Okay, that's fine. Next, test query. You see, so this is all, and you should be all good to finish this application, and your table should load up in the grid view control. Now I'm going to test that. Start without debugging, and okay, sorry, I have not set up the start page. Set a start page. Okay, see this? So alright, that's all for today, and this could be the best thing that you should be using to test your database connection. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.